Hello, it's James from the Clever Car Collection. Today you join me inside the Clever Car Collection for me to show you around this. It is our fantastic Mazda MX-5. As you can see, it's in this beautiful red colour and it has been looked after amazingly well by the last owner, who has treated it to 15 main dealer services. I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the Clever Car Collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. Well, I do realise now Joe has handed me back the camera, I do make this Mazda look tiny, and that is because I am a giant. This car has cleaned up beautifully. I mean, look at that paintwork. It has been very much lovingly looked after by its previous owners, this car. And as I say, that incredible Mazda service history, some years covered less than 1,000 miles between those services. Always at a Mazda main dealer. I'll talk you through that in a moment. Let me just walk you around it, show you the anything that I've spotted. So it's on a 59 plate, this car. It will come to its new owner with a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty, which you can upgrade actually to a 12-month warranty. It's also going to have a brand new 12-month MOT, and we will also be servicing it. Not that it needs it, because it is very, very well looked after. So it's got the 1.8 litre petrol engine. That's got 124 brake horsepower, top speed of 121 miles an hour. We've got 2 remote keys with it, remote central lock-in, and it has got that fold-in hard top, which I will show you how that works in a moment. It's insurance group 22E. It's got a really nice, sweet 5-speed manual gearbox, and it will do 51.4 miles to the gallon. Right, I'll just walk you around it, show you anything we've seen. There are a couple of marks in line with age and mileage, as you would expect in a car like this. A couple of little marks here on the bonnet. Just walking down this side, this wheel. The wheels are in good condition, but there is a little bit of flaking slightly on the alloy wheels. Loads of tread in the tyres. Walking down this side, nothing really sticks out. Show you this wheel. Lots of tread, as you can see. Walking round the back. I will show you underneath this car in a moment, because Mazdas are known to not be particularly big fans of our roads over here, but this has been very well looked after, probably garaged if I'm honest. This wheel, all looking good. Again, loads of tread in those tyres. And just walking down this side, nothing major sticks out. The only thing that does stick out is this slight repair here on the wing. This wheel though, good condition. And again, lots of tread in those tyres. So yeah, that's a walk around the outside. I will jump in a moment. It's got a radio with MP3 connectivity. Has got a category 1 alarm and immobiliser, Fatcham category 1, stability control, traction control, and some other niceties. But let's jump inside and I'll show you what it's like. Right, inside, I'll just fire it up while I'm here, just to show you there's no warning lights on the dash. As you can see, it's just the me not wearing a seatbelt and the handbrake, like so. So yeah, nice interior, nice simple interior this. These are the controls for the roof, which I'll show you in a moment. Air conditioning, radio with CD, aux in, FM and AM. You've got steering wheel mounted controls there for the mode and the volume. And over here, we've got controls for the electrically operated wing mirrors, as you can see. Electric windows, you've got leather trimmed gear knob and steering wheel, and a nice sized glove box there. There's also a little hatch just here for some additional storage, which is lockable, just in case you leave this car with the roof off. Right, let me show you how that roof works. So what you do is when it's obviously down, you just press this button here. Can I just show you? It's just a little button here. Press and hold it, and then oh, sorry, wrong one. Press and hold the other one. That was the put it down one. Yeah. And there we go. Roof hard top. Obviously the engine needs to be running. A couple of buttons here on the dash. just press the one that's going to press down. Oh, you need to unlock it first, which is just here. There's a release button, unlock. And as quickly and as simply as this, press and hold the button, and it folds away nicely. And there's a little beep that says it's done. Nice and simple, pressing those buttons on the dash. Looks cool with the roof down though, doesn't it? Right, let's have a look at the history. Right, history-wise, I've made some notes, but we've got this amazing history pack here, which actually shows all of the individual invoices that this car has been treated to. And we've got a printout of the Mazda digital service record showing all of the Mazda main dealer services it has had. So just to run you through those in detail, this is a 2009 car. So 2009 at 5 miles, it was first looked at by Mazda main dealer. 2010 at 3,000 miles, 2011 at 6,000, 2012 at 7,000, 2012 at 8,000, 2014 at 14,000, 2015 at 16,000, 16 at 16,000, 2017 at 18,000, 2018 at 18.7 thousand. So just 700 miles that year. 2019 at 19,000, 2020 at just over 19,000, 21 at 20,000 miles, and then at 2022 at 20.4 thousand miles. This car has now covered 25,700 miles, so incredibly well looked after. It is in beautiful condition, as you've seen. So I'm James. If you want to get in touch with me, it's james@clevercarcollection.com. If you'd like to see this car, it's on our website, it's clevercarcollection.com, and we very much look forward to showing it to you when you come down here. Please take a moment to check out our reviews on Auto Trader. We are incredibly proud of the 5-star service we give all customers, and very much look forward to giving you that exact same treatment when you come here to test drive this brilliant little sports car. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.